This short video will demonstrate the tech tracking tool in the Business Plan Online Database, or BOLD. When you log in, you'll be taken to the Opportunities List screen. Click on My Tech Tracking drop-down menu in the nav bar and select Add New. This will take you to a form you can fill out to track your technology adoptions. You can add a completely new record, or you can add from an extant opportunity. Click Add in Technology. A window will pop up where you can add details about the technology being used in the course. You can hover your cursor over the blue question marks to see descriptions of each item. First, choose the type of technology from the drop-down menu. If you can't find the technology on the list, fill in the Other field and it will update the list. In the Usage field, indicate if the technology is required for marks, recommended, or not used. Next, indicate if this is a custom access code or if it is a custom print title with standard technology. You should then indicate the platform being used. If you don't know, you can select Unknown, and your technology specialist can help with that afterwards. LMS and LMS integration are fields that your technology specialist will be filling out to complete the form. Click Save at this point to add the details of your technology to the tech tracking record and to activate the Comments field. If there is another piece of technology being used, you can add another by filling out the form again. The individual features are going to be different for each technology. Once you've completed the technology portion of the record, provide the details in regards to the print title or course and strategy. Under Title, add the information about the book that is being used in the course. If you know the ISBN, fill it in. If you don't, you can leave it blank. Fill in the course enrollment for that semester, and choose the business type. Under Strategy, choose what sort of strategy you will use for this course. For example, if the instructor requires assistance setting up the course, select Support. If the instructor is new to the technology and requires training, select Training. If you have planned any type of FDOC activity to support this technology adoption, select First Day of Class. You can choose one, all, or none of these fields. They are not required, but serve to indicate your strategies going forward. Your tech specialist will be following up with you whenever you click Support or Training. The Status field allows you to hide inactive adoptions. If you have lost an adoption or it is no longer using technology, click on the Inactive Radio button. All inactive adoptions will be suppressed from the Technology List view and from the Excel spreadsheet. Inactive technology records are not deleted. You can always find them by filtering on Inactive in the List view. You can switch an inactive adoption back to active simply by changing the radio button selected. A Sales Season tag has also been added to all technology records. All newly created tech tracking records will automatically default to the current selling season. However, you can easily switch the Sales Season tag using the drop-down. The Sales Season tag also appears on the Excel spreadsheet to assist you in identifying when a tech tracking record was first created. Finally, under School, add data about the course using the technology. You can list prof names, multiple or just one, whichever applies. Be sure to click Save. This will also activate the Comments field. Once you have filled in the details of the specific technology adoption, it is time to add narrative in the Comments field. Use the Comments field to enter information about your FDOC strategy or specifics about the technology adoption you feel are important to record. Click on Add Comment to save. Basically, that is how to add a new technology tracking record. It is, however, possible to add a tech tracking record from an existing opportunity, which saves you having to input quite a bit of the info you just entered. To add a tech tracking record from an opportunity, filter on Closed Opportunities. Select the opportunity to which you want to add a tech tracking record and click on Full View. Select Add Tech Tracking. You will be taken to a tech tracking form like before, but notice that a lot of the information will be pre-populated from the existing opportunity record. All you need to add is your technology, your strategy, and your comments once you've saved. You will manage your list of technology adoptions from the My Technology List view. Click on My Tech Tracking in the header to view a complete list of all your technology tracking. You can use the various filter options to view the tech tracking by school, technology, platform, usage, strategy, active status, and sales season tag. You can then export these results to Excel by clicking on the Export to Excel link. Save the file to your computer. You can now use the spreadsheet to search and manipulate the data according to the fields you filled in on Bold. Note that any filters that you have in place on Bold will be transferred to Excel, and that it will only transfer the data from active records. When you have filled in two different types of technology for the same course, the record will show up with a Yes in the Multi with the same ID number. Both these records share the same course ID number, but have different technology listed. This is beneficial if you are working with a very long list. Sorting by ID number will show you the technology multiples together. This completes this demo of how to record technology adoptions. Speak to your sales manager regarding specifics on timelines for completion and in regards to how many technology adoptions to track.